Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make miso soup base full guide. Measure dashi carefully, dissolve miso gently, and taste as you go to balance savory and salty notes. Start with light dashi, add miso using a spoon or sieve, and never boil after miso is added to preserve delicate flavors. Use small batches to practice and adjust miso types until the flavor feels right for your palate. Begin by gathering kombu, bonito flakes, or instant dashi, your preferred miso, soft tofu, dried wakame, and scallions. Heat water with kombu gently, remove kombu before boiling, then add bonito flakes and steep briefly or stir in instant dashi. Strain stock, return to low heat, and prepare miso separately to dissolve into a ladle of warm stock. Combine gently and check seasoning until satisfied with the balance. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support more helpful videos. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker you saw here, which makes kitchen timers and music so much easier and fun. I mention it as a friendly kitchen helper that can set timers hands-free while you cook. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Start by making dashi. Simmer kombu briefly, remove, then add bonito flakes and steep, or use instant dashi for speed. Strain the stock and keep it warm but not boiling. Scoop warm stock into a bowl, whisk in miso until smooth, then return the mixture to the pot over low heat. Add cubed tofu and rehydrated wakame at the end, stir gently, and taste to adjust seasoning before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.